Hi, I'm Noel Valdes of CobraHead Garden Tools. This is our new Broadfork. We've taken the traditional European design and made some modifications to it which we feel makes our tool the best tool on the market. First of all, our tool is lightweight. It only weighs 14 pounds. It's made out of super tough steel, and we have a unique tine mounting system where our tines are mounted through the crossbar instead of being attached to the outside. This gives us the opportunity to use a super tough steel for our tines. These round tines penetrate soil effortlessly, and we'll show you how that works as we go over into the garden and work up a bed. Here's an old bed that hasn't been cleaned up in a couple of years. I'll show you how I use the Broadfork. Position the fork where you want to start. Step on one side, step on the other. Work the fork down to the hilt. The nice thing about our tine system is you can slide your foot back and forth without bumping into anything or any impediment. Once you get your tool worked down to the ground, you just bring it back, and you can see I'm lifting up a big tough chunk of soil. Then I just come back, crush it a little bit, come back about 4 to 6 inches, repeat the process. I'm working in open raised beds where I have to attack the turning over from the center to the side, but you can also use this in a traditional garden setting, just working backwards as you walk down your area with the tool. As I get close to the edge of the beds, I'm penetrating some really hard clay, so it takes a few more steps to get it to work through, but it's not hard. You just move right along. I alternate my feet with each pass. After I've done an initial pass through the entire bed, I come back and do a pass linearly, as you see here. This time there's no effort to get the tool to go into the soil. And you can see I'm really breaking it up, loosening up weeds. And you can get the soil as soft as you want it just by taking repeated passes with the fork. When I'm done doing this, I'll come back with another tool, my trusty little CobraHead, pull out all the weeds. Then come back with the cultivating hoe to break up the last of the soil and shape it up for planting. Here's our bed cleaned up and just about ready to plant. I really enjoy gardening with open raised beds. They wouldn't be possible without a good Broadfork. That's why we're very, very happy with our CobraHead tool. You can buy it at CobraHead.com.